ya. Job to biar hampai kaisi. Apa nih dokter sama? Bubagra. Hampai jotono. Protomo ang kumuya payo. Sini Bromnang Presiden BK Sarno. Sini CWC Committee Central Working Committee ni Sorisho Bromnang Damebar Kumar. Job to Samaspati Dinio Painai. Honorable Executive Members, Honorable MLAs. Job to no hampai ya payo. Tawak majora. Tahu masih jora deh, nak waktu pemau jora sana kira dah no. Tahu ke masih jora, hawa pemplai pak keraya, hansa kani, hape komorai mo, din. Apa pandawa jokon waktu pemau ingke, putih bini jotong hawa pengsam tom murtomnya, babayam thai thayung. Aro pandawa semua tok mau sama tu, raja kakek bu projam nefiyo, proja kakek bu rajam nefiyo. Hayat deh. Tokek mongto, waktu pakai putih bini ha, pekomop untuk kerungian, bawa pembayar thai ingke, cung jod bani bak pandawa raja ni mukti bak putih biak lain bani bak pandawa, di prasarong cak mana bak padam thai. Yes or no? Yes. Apa pandawa tak kurang. Nia kipang saha, what is constitution? Constitution is a gateway for solving out or getting out all the problems of its citizen. Constitution की है gateway, Constitution की है लामा, जो तो दिपासा बा जो any corner of the world, पुट्ठी में जे कोनो जगह ने समस्या भोगी, अब नो जाय के नाले लामा हुआ Constitution, अब से gateway, अब से लामा कोटर, तिनियो Constitution इन सिंदोई, राइडर इन सिंदोई, दिपासा भोगा मनी बाप पंडवो, अब भोगानो तिनी मार्जियों ये चावले successful खेने वाची नि महाराष्ट्र प्रोडक्ट किशोर, अब पंडवो थानाई February 27 is our till the date of February 27, 2024, the cry of Tipasa, the hue of Tipasa, the sentiment of Tipasa, the problems of Tipasa were never heard. Sampai sari February jara Tipasa ni korang, Tipasa ni kamo, Tipasa ni kosong mo, Kendra Sarkar kaya ko. Himba, on 28, Maharaj Bharat Kishore, he was bound to take a crucial decision. Tipasa ni hangkani ba pandawa, apa istari propario, coba kemarin siapa no, Tipasa injustice itu, Tipasa sa kosong mo itu, bukan itu jotong pada apa no Kendra Sarkar ya jangan ni karena, jadi Maharaj Bharat Kishore ini empat crucial decision malah apa wa, hunger strike fast unto death. Tipasa ni kau maya sak, macam Maharaj Bharat Kishore decision malah. Apa hoke, jadi Tipasa ni pancawa sentiment na, agami tol Lok Sabha election ase, Tipasa sara, Tipra jote kono election ba, sarkar gothan kora jabe na he boktoha. Apa pandawa, kemaha Maharaj Matoro, hade gotro kadam riya bosti sopa chale, doi gonta nemsioro, Maharaj Bharat Kishore over telephone, officially Bharat Sarkar phone ma theka, apa hokma, jadi thangani phone, Maharaj Putar sama ni kadero, tirion lagi tangan ni paim saudara tor tak kurang. Amba pandawa jukriya ni kau lah cia ni kau himba. Tirio only agreement, few lines written in a piece of paper is not enough. What is more important is that you have to execute what you have promised. Bano sarkar ji agreement no implement makanai immediately within a month of time frame or within a month of 6 months in the agreement or implement kiya sak. We cannot believe that the government of India has really loved us. Chuna hamya wo ye jo paita jamaya jo to din wo in agreement Maharashtra Bharat Kishore ye obhirari hai apno karjokari ke kendra sarkar mein 12 din Tripura ni sarkar jari se apno implement kiya sak. Jo Tipasa paita jamaya ko je yes na chuna hamya wo ye ta kurang. Amba pandawa dinyo lugo mai puni paita ngaro dino acho kongkong ba jalandari dino station to nei bai bo station orang jangan cari to nei bai no jo to Maharashtra Bharat Kishore hamya ye buno gari mari ba pandawa dinyo jo biska Tipasa ni imam Tipasa ni future Tipasa ni je hasa ko jo pikir pang to nai dino sai siddhanto mari ha Bharat Sarkar ma pandawa I really our Bharat Sarkar honorable Prime Minister of India, honorable Home Minister of India, Sri Amit Shah ji no hambai mario. Bukan siapa, atau last ni kau pakai I really plead the government of India on behalf of 20 lakhs of Tiprasa. As an executive member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, I am really thankful to government of India for signing the Accord of Tiprasa. For the future of Tiprasa, you have handed that piece of paper in the hand of Maharaj Prodakishur. But I humbly request that is not enough because we have seen many accords that being signed even earlier, but those accords were not fully implemented. Even look at the Pru Accord. Now it is more than 2 years, but still what was written in a piece of paper was not completely implemented. There are a lot of problems still going on in the settlement of Pru. About Pandavas. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. About Pandavas Tino. Sabju. Baba Chori Manda se mai ble. Paile Josari nai. Josari tawa cumai pai pai ni na banda zakat kintu bukan ni parti. Now nai tak kurang. About Pandavas. Jadi saya tahu bahawa sih raja ni yang punya curang ni, raja nak baik kuat tu yang support kita bahawa sih tu khopsan nu baik lepas nu ni yang macam cumai dah tak kurang. Poin dia capai. Yes. Asu sama ikut kata dia. Hampa